Hey friends, I wanted to jump on here. We are going to have another live. We're going to do a lymphatic support tincture. And what you're going to need in that is going to be cleavers, red clover, dandelion. You're also going to need stinging nettle, cayenne, astragalus, echinacea, calendula, and dandelion. You want about 2 ounces, a third of a cup of each of those herbs. Your high proof alcohol, 100 proof. Your jar, quart jar. We've got a lot of herbs. Your wax paper, parchment paper to put in between the lid to your quart jar and the jar itself. You need a little skewer to debubble it. It's going to take place on April the 15th, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That is a Saturday. Plenty of time to get your herbs, friends. We'll see you then. Stay healthy.